Give me my share.
My son, if this is your choice, I will not hold you back.
He wasted his wealth in reckless living.
What have I done? I had a home, and I threw it away. Even my father's servants have enough to eat, and here I am, starving. I will go back to my father. Father, I have sinned against heaven and against you. I am no longer worthy to be called your son. Let me be like one of your servants.
For my son has returned.
No, you're my son. Welcome home. Father, I have sinned against heaven and against you.
My son, you were lost and now you are found. Bring the robe and prepare a feast.